Using templates makes it easier to set up events, especially when you need the same information from attendees for multiple events. Here's how to create and apply an attendee information template in Eevee to save time and stay organized. First, open the Eevee app and go to the settings page. From here, click on attendee information and you'll see the attendee information template section. Now click add template to start creating one. Give your template a name. This is just for your reference, so choose something descriptive, especially if you plan to have several templates. Once you've named it, click Save to continue. Next, you'll be directed to a page where you can set up the fields for your template. Click Add Custom Field to add the questions or information you'd like the attendees to provide, like dietary preferences, t-shirt sizes, or phone numbers. If you want to rearrange the fields, click Change Field Order and simply drag and drop them into place. Once everything looks good, click Save again to finish setting up your template. Now that your template is ready, let's attach it to an event. Open the event you want to update and go to the Event Settings page. Then, click on the Attendee Information tab. Here, in the Attendee Information Templates field, select the template you just created. Finally, click Save to apply it to the event. From now on, your event will automatically collect the information based on the template you selected.